everyone. I'm Louise, and I'm gonna. What was that? What was that, everyone? Take a guess. And I'm gonna get showing you my friend again. Gonna show you. Honey, hi. And my number's Nick. You're not gonna guess it. You guessed it right, everyone. Squeaky Bear. Hi. And we're gonna take a peek and go through first. Here we are. Say hi.
Don't.
Okay. What did I go down? I can say you had hi. Up high. They're cleaning upstairs. You don't need to cut it again. Did you go all around in the house? Kitchen, door. And we need to go to the other secret room. Secret room downstairs. Ta-da! It's not clean yet. We're supposed to be goes here, but it's not clean yet. Whoa, whoa. Okay. It's all done. I just need to the last secret room. Here we are. So very, very comfy. Very comfy chair. Comfy. This loop. A goofy good fur. And we are. This is the Goofy Gopher Stat Party.